Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's screencast recording for SDI Class 1209 Project 2. In this week's assignment we had to either expand or come up with a new story to follow the new flowchart with procedures, Boolean functions, number functions, string functions, and an array function, and then the returned values of each. This week, some of the problems I encountered were a lot of confusion about the actual JavaScript language itself. I know I'm not alone in that respect. Most of us seem to be confused at one point or another. And that was kind of difficult. I felt very lost a lot of the time, and it was difficult to overcome that. Things I discovered or were easier than I thought were not so much easier, but things I discovered was how much better I think Coda 2 is as an editor program. I was using Komodo Edit for a while, and then I finally broke down and bought Coda. Much better program. I think it seemed to help me a lot more with the laying everything out clearly, so I could tell what was what in my code. This assignment definitely builds upon everything we learned in last week's assignment. Having done this and have it completed now, week 1 seems so easy to do. The lessons I learned in this, with the confusion and everything, will definitely help in the future with classes and career, because I definitely learned that if I don't know what I'm doing, I need to research as much and as long as possible to really get a clear grasp on the material. I even went and bought an extra 2 books on JavaScript for this class, and I've been referencing that back and forth both projects so far, and it's helped tremendously. Needing more logic this week wasn't too bad, aside from my lack of understanding of the different parts of the language. Expanding the story wasn't too hard. I just continued basically the same thing as I had last week, adding a few more pieces to it to fill everything in that we needed. And for next week, I plan to do the same thing, just expand a little further. I've got plenty of experiences that I'm basing the story off of, so that shouldn't be too much of an issue to do. But that's really it. I've had a lot of fun with this class, even with all the difficulties and hair pulling out and everything else. It's been quite an experience so far, and I look forward to the future. So, just to phrase it again, I went over, this has been my SDI Class 1209 Project 2 Screencast. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.